Welcome everybody. How you guys doing today? So today is Saturday, so everybody having fun today. So today I'm come over here to show you guys how to do multiple pass. So let's go to a Mastercam and I'm gonna show you how to do more than one pass. Okay. Now let's go to a Mastercam 9 and open that up. Let's go to a main menu. Go ahead and click F9. Okay. Go ahead and click on Create. Click on rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point. And we're gonna click right here. We're gonna use 25 by 25. Okay, we're gonna put in the middle here. Okay, and come back over and click on origin. That's in the middle. Click escape. Okay, we're gonna make one more rectangle. Go ahead and go to 1 point again. This time we're gonna use 15 by 15. Okay, put the same place. Click on here in origin. Click escape. Okay, now we go back to main menu and we're gonna make a circle. So we're gonna go create and click on arc. And right here, circle point diameter. So we're gonna click on 5 inches. Okay, put 5 inches. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to come back over here, put an origin right here. Okay. So we had a circle or right two rectangle. Okay. So go and minimize a little bit. Go ahead and click on F2. Go back to main menu. Now we're going to run this pocket right here. This circle right. We're going to run a pocket and we're going to do 2 or 3 times. Okay. We're going to run from top to bottom. Okay. We're going to run from the inside to outside. So we're going to cut this in multiple steps. Okay. Now let's go to toolpad. Go to pocket. Click on change. And we're going to put right here in the center. Okay, and click done. This is a tool library right here. So we'll go ahead and right click. Get a tool from our tool library. Now we're going to go to a tool number 235, which is a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and scroll down until you find 235. One more, it would be right here. 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. Now it says right here, tool number 1 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go ahead, we're going to change feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. We're going to go ahead and change to 7.0. And this right here on the spindle speed, we're going to put 2000. Okay. And right here in comments right here, we go ahead and you're going to put rough pocket. Okay. And then we're going to go over here, pocket parameter. Make sure you check this right here and clear, so you make sure enough height. And the top of stock, I always put 0.35, which I always run the 3/4 inch material. And the depth right here is what we're talking about. So I'm going to put negative 0.5, a 1/2 inch deep. Okay. Negative 0.5. And then the tip comb right here, I'm going to put center. Okay, we don't want to leave any stock. Okay. And right here, make sure you make a check mark on depth cut. So we're going to go on depth cut right here. So macro rough step, we're going to put 0.5 and finish cut. Go ahead and put 3. Okay. And this right here, I'm just going to put 0.1. Okay. Go ahead and put 0.1. And then you're going to click OK here. And go to a rough and finish parameter. You're going to use what kind of pocket we want to run, okay? We got a lot right here. So we have what? Zigzag, constant, parallel spiral, you know, so on, so on. So we're going to use this right here, choose spiral. Go and click on that. And like I mentioned earlier, so we're going to run from inside to outside. Go ahead and check right here, check mark right here, spiral inside to outside. And this right here, finish path spacing up, leave it alone, 0.1. 0.01, I mean. And this right here, cut a comb, go ahead and put where, that's what we want to use, and click OK. This is what it looks like. Now go and go to an operation and verify that, okay? Okay, let's go and click on start button. So that's what it looks like, guys. So if you want to run more than one path, is what you should do. You can set up on the Z and you go step by step. Now, if you add the monitor at your machine, you're going to adjust the Z, okay, one at a time. Let's just say you go half inch, you go in a quarter inch, and then half inch, so on and so on. Okay. Now, you want to run a 1 inch deep, you can go a quarter and then a half and then a 1 inch, okay? So that's what it looks like. That's what we were talking about today, okay? Now, let's go ahead and finish this part up. Let's go to our toolpath. And we're going to cut a contour right here. This one right here, go ahead and right click right here, highlight it and click it on there, and go ahead and click done. This is tool library again. Go ahead and right click, get a tool from our library. And the tool number should be 239. That would be a half inch flat end mill. Go ahead and scroll down. 239 right here, half inch flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. It says right here, tool number 2, half inch flat. And free rate, go ahead and change to 8.0. Little spindle speed, we're gonna go ahead and put 2,000. Okay. And this comment right here, we're gonna leave a finish cut. Okay. Go ahead and put finish cut. Okay, and then we have right here, go ahead and go to contour parameter. And then we're gonna cut all the way through, so put negative 0.75. Okay. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going and click OK. Now go to the operation and go and select all and verify. Okay. Now go and click start button. So this is what it looks like, a multi-pass. Okay. How far deep you want to cut and how many times you want to cut. Okay. Now this is a lot of people are confusing about this. They try to cut more multi-pass, and for some reason they just put one pass and they couldn't figure it out with stuff. So this video is for that. Okay. So this is how it cut. Okay, you guys, and go and click exit out and exit out right here. So I'm just gonna rotate a bit and see on different view. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay. That's how it looks right here. Okay. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please share. Please share the video and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more video, please leave a comment below. If you have any thing you want to say, please leave in a comment and I will get back to that. And other than that, that's all I have today, guys. And I hope you guys like the video. See you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.